Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You watching for today. OnePlus had changed something for OxygenOS update for enthusiastic users. Recently, I saw an official post from OnePlus community where OnePlus is now adapting a new OxygenOS update process. So today in this video, we are going to discuss all about this new OxygenOS update policy. Like what it is, why OnePlus adopted this and how we can apply for this process. And at the last, we will also check out some important FAQs that most users will get confused about. Our channel is constantly trying to provide you everything related to OnePlus, OxygenOS, and latest Android mods for all Android devices, and many more. So if you like our work, then please do like and hype this video, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming videos. Now without further delay, let's get started. Let's first check out what is this new update policy is that OnePlus adopted for their OnePlus devices. So I got this official post by OnePlus from OnePlus community, where OnePlus mentioned that they are now adopting the new release candidate program. OnePlus has already adopted this OTA program for all OnePlus devices running with OxygenOS 15 and above versions from the 15th of November 2024. Though this is the old post, but most of users are confused and some didn't know about this update policy. So what is this actually? Now the new stable versions will be pushed to selected regions 1 or 2 weeks in advance. That means before releasing the stable versions, they will push it as a release candidate publicly. But why has OnePlus adopted this new program before actually releasing the stable OxygenOS updates? The idea behind this is that OnePlus is making the stable update as a release candidate for enthusiastic users like me and others who can download and try these updates. If you encounter any issues like battery drain, performance issues, missing features, or any kind of other bugs, you can report them to OnePlus team. So they will get an idea about these issues and will get the time to fix them earlier before actually releasing the stable OxygenOS updates. OnePlus is currently releasing OxygenOS 15 and 16 updates 1 or 2 weeks in advance as a release candidate update. And once everything goes well, they are releasing the stable OTA later after 1 or 2 weeks of releasing the release candidate updates. That's why stable OTA updates are getting late, for which most of users always complains on OnePlus community. Let's check out the actual demo, how to apply and get the release candidate updates earlier on your OnePlus devices. A few days ago, we uploaded the video review of OxygenOS 16.0.2 V400 for OnePlus 12R. I got this update as a release candidate 5 days earlier on the 29th of the December 2025. To get the early test of release candidate update, just go to the setting, then under the OTA card, tap on the right side 3-dot menu, then select beta program. Here first make sure you are already subscribed to beta program by selecting the subscribe button. Now just tap on the check option for release candidate, and if any update is available for your device, you will get notification as new version available. If you tap on the view details, you will get the details of new version and its detailed changelog. In this way, you can download and install these updates immediately without waiting for a week before the release of stable versions. By using this, I installed the OxygenOS 16.0.2 V400 on my OnePlus 12R. I tested this version thoroughly on my device. Tomorrow, I am going to release the battery life, gaming, and the performance review of this version. I already did the detailed review of the features and the changes done by OnePlus team. For this version, its link is available in the iCard. Users can report if they get any major bugs if they encounter in these release candidate updates by dialing *800# in the dialer or via bug report section available in the OnePlus community application. I know lots of you will get confused about this OTA process and will ask some FAQs like, does using release candidate updates make use lots of bugs or issues? Listen, OnePlus has already said this is the stable version which has already been tested by OnePlus software team having list issues, but OnePlus is just releasing these updates earlier via this process to get confirmation from the customer end that this update doesn't have any major bug. Once after 1 or 2 weeks of fixing all the bugs reported by users, they will release another OTA labeled as stable version. In other words, release candidate updates are stable versions and may have minor or major issues. So it's your choice to download and install these updates earlier. Next question you may ask is that once you install the release candidate update, do we get another OTA as a stable update? The answer is no. As OnePlus has already said that these are the stable versions. If they get real major bugs reported by users, OnePlus team will release a small fix for specific issues of these versions via auto update section available in the OTA card. To get this specific patch update, go to the software update section. There in a three-dot menu, select the auto update. Here under the system file update, you will get a small patch update to fix the major bugs for this release candidate or even for the stable versions. In my opinion, enthusiastic OnePlus users must try these release candidate updates. First, thoroughly use them, and if you get any genuine issues, must report them via bug report section and contribute to OnePlus development program. This is all about for today, guys. Hope you got a clear idea of what are the release candidate updates and stable versions via this video. To get regular content like this, please like and hype this video, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.